Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts, and I am so excited about this brand new event. It's a mystery crochet along, but still a crochet along. So what does that mean? Well, this event is called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along, but it comes with a mystery. I will be publishing 24 free crochet patterns on my website, one each day, starting December 1st, all the way up through December 24th. So where's the mystery? Well, I actually have 30 crochet patterns, and only 24 of the 30 will be published for free on my website. So that means you won't know which one, but you will know all the patterns ahead of time, at least in a picture form. So what does that mean? Well, all 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. Plus, every pattern comes with a video tutorial. You actually have a few different choices on how to approach this crochet along. So let me go through it. First of all, you want to have your yarn ready. I used only 2 different types of yarn from Lime Brand. Lime Brand Yarn is sponsoring this event, and I used either Vanna's Choice for the acrylic worsted weighted yarn, or I used 24/7 worsted weighted yarn, which is cotton yarn. I also used a G+ or 4.5mm hook. I have a complete list of all the yarns and all the different colors that I used listed on my website. You can pick and choose and use different types of yarn. I try to make sure that I'm very clear on how much yarn of each skein I use. So you could technically use one skein for probably 3 to 4 patterns so that you don't have to get so much yarn. If you want to purchase the yarn, Lime Brand is the place to go for this if you want the pattern to look exactly the same way as I made them. Of course, you can also use yarn from your yarn stash if you prefer. That is totally fine. Either way works. Now that you know which yarn you're going to be using for this crochet along and which crochet hook, although you can probably go up and down a crochet hook size, let's talk about the different ways and how you can get the actual written pattern. You have 4 different options to get the written pattern. All the patterns, as I mentioned, come with a video tutorial. So all the videos will be provided. However, as I mentioned, the mystery part of it is that only 24 of the 30 crochet patterns will be available on my website. Okay, 1 will be published per day. And I'm going to make it similar to an actual advent calendar. You get to open a door or click a button and it'll turn around, and then you can see which pattern was published for that specific day. And as it's published on my website, the video for that specific pattern will also be made available as well. That means each day, 1 pattern will get published on my website for free, but with ads. Now, if you want the ad-free and printer-friendly version, you have 3 different choices to get that. Either number 1 will be a simple PDF through Ravelry and Etsy. That will be roughly $5 per pattern. Number 2 is my membership. In my membership, I will publish all the patterns that will be also on my website into the vault, and they will also be ad-free and printer-friendly. Plus, they have little checkoff boxes so you can keep track of where you are in the pattern. And number 3 is the ebook. You can already get the ebook of all the patterns. If you don't want to wait and figure out when each pattern will be published, you can get the entire thing plus 6 exclusive patterns. And the ebook is called Last Minute Crochet Gifts Made Easy. It has all 30 patterns and all 30 video tutorials included. Of course, ad-free and printer-friendly. Plus, it has a table of content that you can click on and it takes you straight over to the pattern. So let's sum it up real quick. We have a new crochet along that comes with a mystery effect. 30 patterns, but only 24 of them will be published for free on my website. You can also get it as a PDF format in my membership or get the entire ebook with all 30 patterns. Which of the 4 choices will you be picking? All you need to do right now is grab your yarn and your hook and be ready to go on December 1st. I will be sending out 1 email per day, so make sure you sign up for my newsletter so that way you will get notified which pattern was published each day. This will be a fun event. All the patterns will be between about 15 minutes to, let's say, 2 hours or so. All quick last-minute gift ideas that are great for this time of the year. And you don't have to crochet all of them, even though I call it a crochet along. You get to pick which patterns you want to crochet. I will be simply publishing 1 pattern per day starting December 1st all the way up to December 24th. I will be sending an email every single day to reveal the mystery of which pattern was published on that day. But as I said, you can also just get the ebook and you get them all right away, all patterns, all videos immediately. So, will you join this Advent calendar crochet along to make last-minute crochet gifts for your loved ones? Remember to share this video, like and comment, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video or go live. Remember, 24 of these patterns will be published on my YouTube channel, 1 per day. So you do want to be subscribed so you get notified. That bell will help you get notification when a video is available. I hope to see you in the event. It's gonna be so much fun. Make sure to invite your crochet friends too. We're going to have so much fun this December. So let's go! A different type of mystery crochet along coming up.